Here's how you can make a four-cornered star. Cut a thin strip of paper at fold the corner. Take the long end and fold the long end around my shape 4 times. I fold back the long end and wrap around my shape 3 more times. Then fold back the long end again and slide it through the previously formed loop. Wrap around and slide the long end through the loop again. Cut off the excess and pinch the edges of my shape, and it will puff up to become a four-cornered star. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.